How you doing, Anthony?
I'm doing well.
Sir, it's good to see you.
Yes,
good
sir.
to see you.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So, Anthony, I just want to get into the Moses method. This is amazing. People, everybody out there wants to know, how did this thing come about? Talk to us a little bit about the total being to start out with, why the total being, and just the passion behind the process. Where'd that come from? Give me the background of it.
Well, I think a lot of it, like we talked about, is a life thing. You know, we look at, a lot of people, you get down spiritually, you get, messed up emotionally and things like that. And I think, being the youngest in a big household, I learned to really pay attention, just observing people. And then, at 29, I decided to quit my job as a chef to become a trainer. And at that time, it was like $6 an hour, but I wanted to help people. So that's how the total being came about. I failed the exam about 4 times. No education, no nothing. It was a God thing.
Yeah.
So that's how the total being came about.
Talk to us a little bit about living with Crohn's disease.
I'm not trying to be funny. I'm gonna look at that camera. It's God. It's something I have, but it's something I don't have. It's like a superpower. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So when you talk about it being a superpower, what you're saying is that the Crohn's has really served you in your ability to serve others.
To serve others. Amen. That's exactly what it's done.
Wow. Can you elaborate on that a little bit more?
Well, when you lose your health, you appreciate it. And when you appreciate it, you learn to eat right, think right, not get upset. And then when you learn that and you reinvent yourself, you want others to have that. Wow. And that's what I've done over the years.
What is the Moses method, and what separates it from all the other programs out there?
The Moses method is a way of life, like one of my trainers spoke very elegantly of earlier, Samantha. It's a way of life. And what separates it is the scientific approach, along with the art and the follow-up and the programming that individualizes for each individual. Each individual has their own program, so that's what separates it. There's no one size fits all, like with most trainers. Most trainers just state, low carb, keto. The Moses method is a diet where you can actually eat carbs.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So a person can actually eat carbohydrates. So this totally debunks a lot of the dietary fads and everything that's out there.
Completely.
So low carb, keto this. And not to take a shot at anything pre-existing, but but you can actually eat carbohydrates on this thing.
Absolutely. And my thing is, and I'll look at the camera, I've won over 25 shows, I've done over 40 bodybuilding shows, I still compete. And back when you were boxing, because I know you remember the time back when we went to the sauna.
Absolutely.
And we were low carbing and sitting in the sauna and losing all this water.
Yes.
Well, with the Moses method, just changing different programs and how we eat certain foods, carb-wise, you lose the weight like that.
Absolutely, and that's something that has even that I have benefited from it.
Right.
It's like, as we discussed, of course we're asking questions and everything, but absolutely, what I'm sensing and what I know about with the Moses method is, like you said, it's about energy, being able to process the energies that you're putting in your body.
Absolutely.
More efficiently.